Come on, let's go. Pause that music. Hello, welcome. A new video, a new space. It's looking a little rugged in here, a little library-ish. Is it rugged? I don't know, it's like wood and stuff. Anyway, talking about a new tutorial here. So you posted a video. That's awesome, dude, but you need to get some views. If you really want to maximize your content and get the most views possible, you can't just rely on people finding your video from the algorithm and search results and recommended videos and stuff. Just putting it out there is not enough. I'm Matt Solnick and I'm a digital marketer and I do pictures and videos for different companies and clients. I also help people with social media strategy and growing their personal brand. And I have a pretty good KD ratio in Call of Duty. Today we're talking about how to promote your videos on your Instagram story. That was not Instagram, that was just my phone. This is one way of doing it. And I feel like for my personal brand and what I do, which tends to be a little more edited, a little more cinematic, editing something in Adobe Premiere or Photoshop or whatever is a little more fitting for what I do. Now there's totally something to be said for like, you know, the hey guys, it's Matt here, don't forget to swipe up to see my new video, thanks. I look kind of oily. To each their own.
Influence. Can I get a picture?
So yesterday I posted a video about really basic sound design for your videos. One way to optimize your time for maximum content is, as Gary Vaynerchuk says, document over create.
Document versus create.
So I was going to make this Instagram story promoting my previous video anyway, so I might as well document the process and get a whole other video out of it and teach you guys some stuff. Now I want to talk about my influences a little bit first. Two people in particular, I think. One is this study abroad travel company called Bus to Alps. And they do these amazing Instagram stories. Check them out. They have a bunch of those permanent stories where it takes you through different locations and it feels like you're being guided through a BuzzFeed article or something like that. Their stories are just so engaging and feel almost interactive. That's how good they are. The other influence I wanted to talk about is Devin on Deck. He has some really good tutorials, style guides, but also does these really good, just super aesthetically pleasing white background Instagram stories. A lot of people do this. There's this app called Unfold and it's super minimalistic white background. It's just beautiful looking. Let's do it. Step number one is going to be, that only took 3 tries by the way. I need to charge my phone. Making this Instagram story. It's really important with everything you do. Come up with your concept and then execute. Idea, then do it. In the video I made that I'll be advertising, I talked about the sound design for one of my Instagram videos. So I'm going to take a screenshot of my Instagram page. I'm going to put like a little thing saying, did you see this video? And then the next one will be the exact same picture and it'll like circle around it with like a little arrow, super Instagrammy, right? Then you tap, third page will be the video itself and it'll say in text, how did I make this soundscape or something like that. You tap again. So then the 4th and 5th Instagram story page will be the Unfold style, super aesthetically pleasing white background with 2 different clips from the video. So the first page will be 1 clip from the video that I thought was funny. Tap the screen again, brings you to the second clip, which will be like an informative part. On those 2 pages, it will say link in bio on both of those. And then I'll throw in like a 5th little Instagram story page of my Instagram homepage where I circle the link in the bio and be check it out here. That's my plan. Let's go do it. So going to Instagram, the first thing, so I'm gonna do a screenshot, then let's go to the story and I will select it. You know how to do this. Hey, like, did you pizza vid? I like the typewriter font. Green is kind of like, we're just gonna move it around a little bit. Why not add a GIF, you know? Beach. Let's save this. Since I used a GIF, it's saving it as a video, so we can post that again. To add on to that previous thing, you go to your story and you take your saved picture. Now you can add on. So I'm just gonna do a little artsy little arrow here. Something like that. So now we have our first 2 slides done. So if you have the video you're talking about, you could actually just put it there, maybe shrink it down. I think this actually looks pretty good. I don't think I need to go into Premiere for that. Okay, so now I'm going to take the clips that I already exported from Premiere that I've selected, airdropping them onto my phone. Got them. So now we're going to use the Unfold app, which is so easy. Okay. We'll just call it story. Press the plus button to make a new thing. we're gonna scroll over to, where is it? This one, because it's a 1080p sequence. All right, I'm picking my first video. This is one of the clips. We'll just make sure you can see the whole thing there. Cool. Let's see how I made it. Link in bio. Simple, right? Taking my other clip, moving it to be the right size, and once again, see how I made it. Once again, link in bio. That looks about right. And then we will save this story. Saving now, and then just add that to your story. So now we have 4 pages of the 5 pages done. And the last thing I want to do is just hammer home the link in bio thing. So we'll just screenshot, then you just select it, and then I just want to reinforce, click that link right there. That should be it. I think the story is done. That was a good way of advertising it on Instagram. You just want to make sure that you are driving as much traffic to your videos as possible. Do the work, don't just post it and hope that you get views. I hope that was helpful. I've got like 3 videos ready to go. Make sure you are subscribed so you see them when I post. Hit the like button. Here's a video I picked just for you. You're gonna love it. Just trust me. And oh, my face right there. Subscribe. Thank you. Hey Solnick Squad, don't forget to like the video, swipe up to see. I fucking hate myself.